Welcome to Nature's Marvels, where we explore the strange and beautiful phenomena that grace our planet. In today's adventure, we'll take you on a captivating tour of nature's most astonishing wonders. Let's dive in. The dancing lights of the Aurora Borealis. Our first stop brings us to the polar regions, where the night sky comes alive with the ethereal glow of the Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights. This mesmerizing light show is caused by charged particles from the sun colliding with Earth's atmosphere, creating stunning displays of color and movement. The mystical beauty of bioluminescent plankton. Our journey continues beneath the waves, where a magical phenomenon awaits. Bioluminescent plankton, also known as sea sparkle, transform the ocean into a shimmering wonderland as they emit a soft blue-green light when disturbed. The enigmatic beauty of Salar de Uyuni. Our final destination takes us to the vast salt flats of Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, where the earth meets the sky in a breathtaking display of natural beauty. After rainfall, the salt flats transform into a giant mirror, reflecting the sky with mesmerizing clarity. As we've witnessed, the natural world is full of wonders that defy imagination and inspire awe. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of nature's marvels. Until then, may the beauty of the earth fill your heart with wonder and gratitude.